Justice for the Lost. Top-tier wrongful death lawyers in Los Angeles, 2026. In the sprawling and complex legal landscape of Los Angeles in 2026, the pursuit of a wrongful death claim is perhaps the most sensitive and high-stakes endeavor a family can undertake. When a loved one's life is cut short due to the negligence, recklessness, or intentional harm of another party, the emotional toll is immeasurable, but the legal path to accountability is strictly defined by California law. As of early 2026, the hallmark of elite advocacy in Southern California is the shift toward digital life value reconstruction. Top-tier Los Angeles firms, such as Panish, Shea, Boyle, Ravaputi, the Reeves Law Group, and West Coast Trial Lawyers, now utilize sophisticated AI modeling to project the lifetime financial and emotional loss of a decedent, ensuring that juries understand the true scale of the tragedy. High CPM keywords such as Best Los Angeles Wrongful Death Attorney 2026, California Code of Civil Procedure 377.60 claims, and multi-million-dollar fatal accident settlements attract the highest tier of advertisements from national litigation funds and premium insurance providers, making this a pinnacle niche for legal and social justice content creators. The 2026 legal framework in Los Angeles is governed by specific statutes that dictate who can file a claim and what damages can be recovered. Under California's wrongful death statute, CCP 377.60, heirs such as surviving spouses, domestic partners, and children have the primary right to seek justice. In 2026, elite attorneys distinguish themselves by pursuing two distinct paths simultaneously: the wrongful death claim, for the family's losses like funeral expenses and loss of companionship, and the survival action, for the losses the deceased suffered before passing, such as medical bills and pain and suffering. However, to remain compliant with YouTube's business and legal integrity policies, it is mandatory to state that past results do not guarantee future outcomes. While Los Angeles juries are known for significant verdicts, often ranging from $2 million to exceeding $25 million in catastrophic cases, every case hinges on proving liability and the available insurance coverage. Promoting guaranteed recovery, without discussing the 2-year statute of limitations or the complexities of proving gross negligence, is a direct violation of professional transparency standards. The 2026 model for high-end representation in the City of Angels also focuses heavily on corporate accountability. Whether the death resulted from a commercial trucking accident on the 405, a defective consumer product, or medical malpractice in a major LA hospital system, a top-tier lawyer acts as a private investigator of corporate misconduct. For creators, this niche provides immense depth, from explaining how to navigate a claim against a government entity in LA, to the impact of California's 2026 prejudgment interest laws on settlements. By providing evidence-based insights into punitive damages and the latest successor and interest updates, we empower grieving families to understand their rights in a system that can often feel cold and bureaucratic. Ultimately, the 2026 Los Angeles wrongful death landscape represents a relentless pursuit of dignity for those who can no longer speak for themselves, ensuring that justice is not just a concept, but a tangible outcome for the families left behind.